The Chropi GP10 was a submachine gun built by Chropi, which used the Chropi spelling on its weapons, a Greek chemical company. It was designed by a team under Sotiris Safionopoulos, apparently an original Greek Cypriot design, and was proposed to the Greek army in 1975. Initial positive performance results during tests were followed by a final rejection with dire consequences for the company, which had improved its existing infrastructure in order to mass-produce the weapon. About 100 units had been produced, which were delivered to the Greek state and ended up in Greek army storage facilities. Chropi GP10. Type submachine gun. Place of origin Greece. Service history. Used by Hellenic Army, not officially adopted. Production history. Designer Sotiris Safionopoulos, team leader. Designed 1975. Manufacturer Chropi, Chropi, Athens. No built approximate 100. Specifications. Length 590 mm. Cartridge 9x19 mm parabellum. .45 ACP. Action blowback. Feed system box magazine. Sights iron.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.